Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to touch upon something which I talked about briefly in the last video, which was Viddyoze. Now in this video I'm going to talk more about the Halloween side of the content that you can create, the templates that are available, because they're absolutely fantastic. And Halloween's coming up on this, let's have a look here, so 2.5 weeks, just over 2 weeks. So if you're interested in getting some content for your business or to even just impress your friends and family online, then this is the program to do it with. So I'm going to talk through some of the different templates that are available. I've also got a preview of sort of a lot of templates that I put together as well, which I will show you now. So first of all, actually, let's go through some of the things that people already post during Halloween online. So on Facebook, on Twitter and Instagram and places like that. So I did a bit of search. I mean, obviously this is the generic sort of stuff that you'll find, so you've got the pumpkins, standard trick or treat. I mean, some of it looks quite nice, but there's not really much out there that's animated. Normally it's maybe an old clip of the Halloween film, with Michael Myers and the mask thing, or Freddy Krueger or something like that, but it's never normally very original stuff. It's all pretty generic every year. It's the same sort of content. Now what I'm suggesting is, obviously with what I'm going to show you, you've got the opportunity to be able to not only use it yourself to impress people, but also sell and offer the videos for different businesses, because again, they can put their logo in, so they can brand it to their business and whatever they do. So it's there's a potential there to make pretty good money doing that, even if you just sell the videos for 10 quid a time. So let's have a look and see on the actual Viddyoze platform. So this is, if you've not seen my previous video, Viddyoze is a motion graphics platform where you can produce hundreds and hundreds of different types of video. It's unlimited renders, and you've got all of these different categories that you can select from. You can either put your logo into a logo animator template. And I'll just quickly show you. I'm not going to be too long with this, because you can look at my previous video. The link's in the description for that one, by the way, if you want to get a review of this software in full. But this is an example of some of the templates you've got for the logo stickers you can create. And just this section alone, there is 37 pages, so there's so many. And with the special offer that's on available at the moment, you get unlimited renders as well. And I believe there's 170 templates in total. There's one of the Halloween ones that I did earlier on, which I will show you in a minute. So I'll tell you what we'll do is we'll have a look at some videos on here as well. So let's go to videos and see what we've got. So these are the Halloween sort of videos that you can do. What's that one there? Trick or treat, 326 templates. So this is Canva. So there will be some videos on here that you can do, but again, they're quite basic. The smoke effects. You might get some movement of elements in the image that will move around, potentially. However, this is the kind of thing that you can produce with Viddyoze. So I've rendered this up. Just have a look at this. I'll just move it over and make it full screen actually for you. So I use my logo, obviously, for the business, just to give you an example. The sound effects are in with the software, and there's also a few options you can pick from as well, with the music and stuff in the background. I quite like this one for the moon. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, that's quite basic stuff. However, that is impressive. If a rival company was to see that you were producing content like that just for a Halloween message, or even a Christmas message, or anything, there's templates for all occasions on here. It really does make your business stand out. So that's basically the sort of lowdown of the Halloween side of it. Now, what I was going to do is give you a quick demonstration of how you create these templates. So let's go to Halloween. You type anything in the search bar, and these are the ones that you've got. So there's quite a few. So let's just find, for example, that one there with that castle. You go to customize, And it's literally within a few clicks and you can have that sort of video rendered. You put your logo in there. Now, ideally you want one with a transparent background. If you haven't got your logo that's got a transparent background, don't worry too much, because this software will enable you to remove the background anyway. So I'm just going to use that one again just as an example. So you put that in, and now you go to edit, and you've got the remove background option there. So if I had a background, it would do that for me, but it's in the right position anyway. It gives you guidelines of the kind of sizing you need. Colors, you can change the colors of the pumpkins as well and things like that, but I just leave that as it is. It's orange, you know, it's pretty standard. And like I say, these are the different soundtracks you can use. A bit more dramatic. Pick whichever one you want, but to be honest, I quite like the default soundtrack that goes with it. I think it works quite well. And then what you do is when you've selected your logo, you just click preview, and it doesn't take very long, and it will come up with 3 preview sections here. And the reason that they do that is just in case you've made an error, or the logo's not quite worked, or you've put the wrong text in, because a lot of these templates you can insert your own wording and stuff that will come onto the screen and things like that. So it gives you a good option before you have to wait for the render time to preview it. There you go, so that's the first one. It's only really going to be the last one that's going to show me if the logos come out all right. There we go. So there you go. So the logo comes in. Okay, so that gives you an idea of the kind of quality that you can create. Bearing in mind, these are HD quality videos as well. So not only could, as I say, you can impress people on your own social media platforms, but there's also an opportunity with this software, and this is one thing I tapped on briefly in my last video, is to make a business out of this. Because even if you were to sell these videos in short form for £10 each, you sell 10 of those in a day, it's £100 a day. With a small bit of marketing, you probably have to do a bit of advertising on Facebook or Instagram for it, build yourself a bit of a brand, just offering these videos for businesses. It's a massive opportunity at the moment. And what I'll do as well, I will go to my channel, and I'll just get you the sales page up quickly. So this is my channel, and the last video I made was basically a bit more in depth about Viddyoze. So you'll feel free to watch that. But if you go into more and more videos in the link in the description, that's where I've got my offer that's currently, it is a limited offer at the moment. So if you click on the link, it takes you to the Viddyoze sales page with the promo offer on. It is a long sales page, and there's a lot of examples on here of what you can do. And they work with big businesses like Coca-Cola, Tesla, Philips. They work with some big brands. So if you scroll down to the bottom, this is where the offer is. $127 one-time payment for everything. And that's unlimited renders as well. So $127 is under £100, I think, at the moment with the current exchange rate. So for under £100, you're getting, I think it's 170 templates. Or this one, it's 260 plus templates. So it's even bigger with this one. Obviously with the $97 one, you've got the personal version. But if you want to start repurposing and selling these videos for, like I say, £10, £15 each, for the logo stingers, you could merge some together and have a longer form video. You could sell that for £50 or something. You'd easily make your money back within a couple of days of offering this service to people and with the this bonus as well, with this actual $127 package, you get the reverse sales method, and that talks about an entire process of exactly what I've just said of how to repurpose and resell your videos. But that's more in depth. It's like a business plan it provides for you. That alone is worth $197. And then you've got the YouTube Accelerator. So if you've got a YouTube channel like I have, or you've got a personal one that you use just for your hobby, this is absolute gold dust. This course will teach you everything about SEO, about how to rank on YouTube. It will help you understand creating an impressive thumbnail, and just the back end of YouTube that a lot of people don't understand. It's not necessarily just about the quality of the video, it's how you use the ranking and the SEO to get it up there above your competition. And also there's affiliate marketing to be done with YouTube as well, which is very powerful. So there's a lot of money to be made with YouTube. It's video is king, as they say at the moment. It's very, very important to keep yourself relevant. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for listening to this one. It's a bit of a shorter video than last time. As I say, the link's in the description, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to click that like button and subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.